What's up guys, this is going to be an unboxing of my new GoPro Hero 8 camera. So let's get into it. So on top here you can see we've got the camera secured on top with one of their GoPro mounts. Let's take it off of there. Pretty nice little unit, nice and light. I'm not sure about the quality yet, but we'll find out soon. And sticky mount, helmet or head strap, comes with 2 batteries and charger cord and an SD card. Oh, and one more thing. Oh, look at this. Looks like a little tripod. Yep. So you can put the camera on top of there. All in all, pretty nice, really nice packaging. I got the special bundle from Best Buy. It came in at $399.99. Pretty good price for such a nice camera. It shoots in 4K HD at 60 frames per second. It's pretty cool for a camera this size. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.